What are spaces and do you need them when you are mounting a TV on the drywall? Well, if you can see here, I have a TV mounted on a drywall. To just show you a clear view, I have used this plexiglass to imitate a drywall, and they're also metal studs. So I'm going to remove this TV, and you can see that I have mounted the TV on only metal studs. And what are spaces actually? Let me show you guys. So as you can see here, this is a TV mounted without any spaces. Alright, the length of the TV and the drywall is not so much, it's about 3 inches. And what happens if you add a spacer, and what is a spacer? Let me show you. So these guys right here, they are called spacers, and I have spacers in 2 different sizes. One this huge spacer and another one this small bit of spacer. So where do you place these spacers? Is right here between the TV bracket, the back bracket, right, and the TV. Alright, so under this area right here. So why do we place spacers on TV brackets? To make sure that there is a bigger space when you mount your TV onto drywall to create an airflow. You guys know that when you watch this TV too long, it's gonna get hot and it's gonna affect your electronic board and whatever that is in your TV. So to create this airflow, we place in these spacers. Alright, so you could choose between different sizes. There are spacers in different sizes, and how do you place them onto your TV? I'm going to show it now. So firstly, we just remove this TV bracket behind the TV. Okay, done removing the TV bracket. This is the TV bracket, alright? So I'm going to place the spacers under the TV bracket, alright? So I'm going to only use the small spacer, this one, the small one. I'm not going to use the big one, alright? Because I want to create just a small space between the TV and the drywall. Place these 4 spacers onto the VESA holes. Alright, these are called the VESA holes. So I'm going to place them there right now. I'm going to place the screw. Right. So I just remember where to place the bracket. So it's going to do the same thing as what I did just now. So I'm done placing the spacers. You can see here, these are the spacers that I have just placed in the TV bracket. So let me hang this TV bracket onto the TV mount right now. Now there is this huge space in between your drywall and also your TV, which creates an airflow in between here to make sure that air flows correctly, and it is different without any spacers. Alright, so these are the spacers that we have just placed here. Alright, and that is the tip for today. Good luck mounting your TVs.